third time in my life. I don't know if it actually works or not.
इतनी मेहनत करते हैं हम तो एकदम मिड एज बॉडी, प्री वर्कआउट, पोस्ट वर्कआउट, प्रोटीन, क्रिएटिन, ग्लूटामाइन, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स, तो व्हाट? दादी तक दिखती है बॉडी में, दिखती भी नहीं है।
So many cheating friends have been sacrificed for a mid body. मेरी थोड़ी सी दिखती है, chill.
तेरे दिखती है अच्छी खासी।
Quads दिखते हैं, quads. Let's go to the gym. We selected this gym in Dadar, which is 10 minutes walking from our place. But the aura and the vibes are so low of this gym. Now, why does this matter to us? Because we are fitness content creators and we have to record our workouts, let's say. But because the gym is so blah, you don't even feel like working out. Not just the gym, the people working out, the whole aura and vibe. When I say that, I think it includes everything. And now we have come to a conclusion that we might have to travel half an hour away from Dadar and go to Bandra or Juhu for a good workout, for a good space. And now that we have a car and we are freelancers, we can travel anytime to the gym. So we are going to soon go for gym hunting. Let's do a upper body workout followed by a 6.5 easy run in the gym. Today is a Monday. Right now it's 1:40 p.m. Monday my body just does not want to work out because Sunday I get my long run done and after that my brain is in a good relaxation mode where it doesn't want to do, and that is when I really have to push myself to work out. And even in my run-up plan, when I have a long run on Sunday, I have a run on Monday, so my body is used to run on tired legs. It's just how a marathon training works. And I can't even give up on my gains. I have a lot of work to do. I have to get my body test done so I know my fat percentage. Correct? So I can lose fat. A lot of fat is still there in my body. So I can gain more muscles. अभी मैं थोड़ा देख रहा ऐसे को हाँ बोल हाँ in the comment section. I know a lot of people like outdoor gym, one where there's no AC, but I don't think that should be a case in Mumbai. It is so humid that you need an AC. You must be thinking, अरे ये gym तो इतना अच्छा दिख रहा है. It is because we are here at 2 p.m. You should be my push-up coach. You should push me to do that. I always cheat when it comes to push-up and I don't do more than 10. I give up and I do knee push-up, but I think it's time that I face my demons and complete the push-up rather than running away from it.
Against the thing on RP, rate of perceived aggression. Until and unless you hit your RP 10, you will not grow. Your mistake is that you always give up at RP 7. You tell your mind, my body is tired, I cannot do more, and you give up over there. You only grow when you go beyond that tired
Is it okay
state.
that I only do push-ups today?
Can you do one run a week and still get better at running?
No.
No, you have to do it regularly.
Okay, let's get it done. Tired, but I need to do it.
They call, got me back in my head, oh. No sleep, I've been up in my bed, oh. Let me know, if you feel it the same, if you're playing the game where you say my name. I can read your eyes, got me.
I think I'm gonna cry the day I do a single pull-up. I'll not cry when I do a marathon at this point, but I'll cry when I do a pull-up. Because pull-up is a pull-up. I have major respect for people who can do a pull-up, especially girls.
Oh, you don't gotta hide. Your body says it all tonight. These are the nights I chase, 'cause you stay in my head, in my head, in my head, stay in my head.
30. Hate it.
Up straight. Keep it straight. That's it.
In
चार्ज करो फोन को, लैपटॉप को, ऑस्मो को, सब
Too
चीज
many-
को चार्ज करो.
Too many things to charge every day. But
Life of a creator. Charge everyone.
charge, बुक चार्ज करो, फोन चार्ज करो, फैन चार्ज करो, लैपटॉप चार्ज करो, दिमाग चार्ज करो. दिमाग चार्ज नहीं किया तो फिर सब खराब. I was going to go to the gym at this time, but I just arrived. It's 5 p.m. But good part is that I got done with upper body workout with my semi-coach. Also got done with the 6.5 kilometer easy run inside the gym. To be very honest, running on a treadmill is easier than going out for a run in Mumbai in this humidity in the evening, where everything is so noisy around you. You'd rather just put your music and run on the treadmill. But now it is 5 p.m. and the only thing that I've had since morning is a banana protein smoothie, a carb mix, one gel. That's all. And now I'm going to literally smash the salad that I've just ordered. Salad with carbs. Truly grateful for this one place. Harvest Salad Co. They're not paying me to say this, but that's the only affordable salad place in Mumbai. Like Mumbai definitely lacks healthy eateries around. Literally no one wants to give you healthy food. सबको देना है greasy खाना, मोटापा, literally मोटापा. You open Swiggy and Zomato and all you can see is protein less food. So but Harvest Co, I'm sure they are earning in billions, because all our friends are hooked to Harvest Co and everyone just, like the moment you say salad, you know you're going to order from this place. I'll show you guys how good the bowl is. Let it come. Yes! Yum! लिखा नहीं उन्होंने कौन सा salad दिया. How dare they? This is Rhythms high protein guac salad. This is mine, which is the Harvest Co salad, signature salad.
Why are these salads eating a bowl? You need carbs.
ये बोले ना इसमें कनुआ है.
तो सैलड में क्या बोल रहा है?
क्या पता है?
दो और चीज़ होती है.
कुछ भी मंगा है. इस पे है ना काप्स.
बिल पे देखिए, क्या है?
बिल पे है Harvest chicken bowl. Harvest chicken bowl. I need carbs. I just don't. They have honestly nailed the dressing. I've never tasted such a tasty honey mustard salad dressing. And the pickled onions. Ooh. The broccoli is also tasty in this. The chicken is not that amazing, but the dressing does the job. They newly launched the hexagon bowl so that you can shake it up. But let me lock it nicely. One, like, we never started eating healthy food. I think it's been a year of trying to focus on healthy protein rich food. More than a year, and now that our system cannot handle unhealthy food. वाओ, क्या शेक हुआ है, पूरा हेल्थ सैलेड हिल गया. Wow. After 5, I did a little bit work for our run club, Rove Run Club. We host runs in Bombay. It's a community run club where you get to meet other runners, and few brand deals on that, few inquiries, how can we execute. Oh wow! Already feeling sleepy at 8 o'clock. So I have realized after a lot of experimenting that when I drink caffeine post 4:30 is where I really affect my sleep. So today also at 5 o'clock Rhythm asked me if you want a coffee. I said no. And the days I don't have coffee, post 4 p.m. I actually have a deep sleep and I start feeling sleepy. So if you're someone who's been drinking a lot of coffee and feels like why am I not feeling sleepy in the night, why am I not being able to wake up in the morning? Try this out. मेरे पे तो बहुत काम चल रहा है. All I have to do is now eat my dinner and then fold these clothes. I think this is one of the worst chore out there in the world, which is folding clothes. I don't mind washing dishes every day, which I don't. I have a house help who does the cleaning and washing vessels. But folding clothes, man, नहीं, मेरा brain नहीं handle कर पाता है. ADHD brain telling them every day to sit, fold clothes and keep it in a good organized way. No, my cupboard is not organized. I dump clothes. What the cycle is that I directly come in the bedroom when I have to sleep. And when I come and I see so many clothes, I'm already in a phase where I want to just shut down. So this whole task feels like a bigger task than me earning a lakh rupee, to be very honest. Not even kidding. Then I come and I dump the clothes directly into my cupboard. Now days go by, it's still stuffed, and then after a point I lose my mind when I don't find. So the actual way is to fold these clothes not during bedtime, because I hate the task. And now already looking at it, it's making me annoyed. Like, मेरे को नहीं करना है. Engineer, if you're watching this video, भाई मेरे जैसे लोग है ना, दे देंगे लाख रुपए वो एक मशीन के लिए जो फोल्ड करे कपड़ा, फोल्ड करे. चल रख तो मैं दूंगी, but फोल्ड करे. And this was my day. It was a very slow start to a Monday, and it always happens because Sunday I exert myself so much because of the long run that Monday does feel very slow. But I'm glad that I could get my workout in. I had good meal. Dinner is still left, and life is good. Some days you just don't appreciate a basic day. I slept good. I ate good. I moved my body. I spoke to my friends. I did a little bit of work. And I got in big news today that I'm going to Kashmir next month. Kashmir feels like the first place of almost every Indian who wants to travel and see Kashmir. And obviously as a kid also I wanted to always travel. I think more than me, my parents also, if I say them Kashmir, it's like such a big deal. And I'm going Kashmir next month for 4 days, and it just got confirmed. Like I knew about this plan since a while, but it was not confirmed, but now it's finally confirmed. I'll let you know why I'm going there, but it's gonna be amazing. So that was the highlight for the day for sure, me knowing that I'm going to Kashmir. Yeah, I'm super grateful for everything I do. I'm counting my blessings so that it's a good reminder to your brain. I suddenly क्या बोल दिया इसने, blessing. Like sometimes your brain is so wired of just complaining everything that you forget to be grateful. So more grateful we are, the more good things will happen in life. Rhythm, what the fuck? Look at the amount of rice that he's given me to eat. This is easily 300 grams of rice with protein. This is too much. Rhythm, this is overwhelming. I cannot eat a lot. एक साथ इतना मत दे. मैं नहीं खा सकती एक साथ इतना.
100 ग्राम चावल.
100 ग्राम चावल नहीं.
वो सब मिक्स किया उसने वेजिटेबल वगैरह.
ये क्या है ये? मैं तेरे को क्या लड़का लगती हूँ?
Everything mixed inside it. Vegetable वगैरह.
This is funny.
Yeah.
Give me half of this for now.
You cannot eat half of this. This is your entire meal.
No. If you enjoyed this video, day in my life, and you would like to see more of it, comment down below. Comment is like an interaction with you and me. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Overly the. Okay, bye. Peace out.